welcome back to my channel. So, before I get into this video and I explain it to you guys, make sure that you subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I post a video just like this one. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I have to run and get my camera. So, today we're going to be doing the second part of the color-coded fidgets. It is the same day. I did the other fidgets this morning, so if you look, it's probably going to say the same day. But so we have the blue fidgets, the purple fidgets, the green fidgets, and all the rainbow fidgets, which don't really have a category for color. They're like multicolors. And also some white fidgets in there too. So first, things first, I got 3 fidgets. I went to a store and I got 3 fidgets and I'm gonna show you guys what they are. So first is this it's almost like a splat ball. Here, listen to this. It sounds really weird, but it's a pink fidget. And then I got this other pink fidget. It's a Nido, it's a crystal Nido. I like this one a lot. Literally almost everything in that bucket is now pink and red and orange and yellow because I took out all the other fidgets. And then I got this blue Nido. So, now we're going to start with the green fidgets because that's the one that's closest to me. So, I have 4 green fidgets. Oh, and in some of the videos, I forgot to include some stuff. Like in the last video, I had a yellow bike chain and I had an orange marble mesh. Just some little things I didn't include. Ooh, I have some other rainbow things that I gotta put in the rainbow section. So right before my videos, I organize everything into the piles. Okay, so let's get started with the green fidgets. First is this pea popper. I like this one. And then this marble mesh. Green marble mesh. This dough ball. That reminds me of the spot ball thing I got. And then this green mini poppet. Now for the purple fidgets. I have this Bindi Simple Dimple. Triple Simple Dimple in this purple. I have this cat Nido. So now I have I have 4 Nidos, I'm pretty sure. Now I have 13 stress balls. That's a lot. Okay, and then I have this purple monkey noodle. Some people call them noodles. Some people call them monkey noodles. Some people call them just comment down below what you call these. I call them monkey noodles. Well, that's what I heard, so I don't really know. Okay, I have a lot of blue poppets. I'm just gonna warn you. So, first things first are the blue bike chains. I have 2. I have a thick one and I have a skinny one. And then I have this blue marble mesh. Then I have this blue Nido. I have this blue color changing Nido that I got from Miss Bench. I have glitter on everything. So as I popped my this glitter Orbeez ball almost 2 weeks ago, and I still have glitter on everything. Okay, I have 4 blue poppets. So first is this turquoise one. I don't know if this is considered blue or turquoise. I don't really know. And then I have this blue and white poppet. And yes, it has a hole at the bottom. Somebody traded it to me and it's gonna hold it. It's not gonna get bigger unless you cut it. And then I have this blue square poppet. I like this poppet a lot. It's quiet on the quiet side and loud on the loud side. Then I have this giant ABC poppet. Pretty loud. Here's the whole thing already. So I have to like scooch them all over to me. So I have quite the collection of rainbow poppets. I was gonna get a new one at the store, but then a lady took it. Okay, so first thing first I see is all like most of my dimples and simple dimples. Wait, where's my other one? Oh, right here. So first is this simple dimple. It's multicolor, so I put in the rainbow. This multicolor tangle. This multicolor simple dimple. Simple dimples are multicolor, I'm pretty sure. Except for like the bendy ones. This like butterfly one, it almost is like a bow tie. I don't really know what you should call this. I just call it butterfly because if you just stuck a little thing right here, it'd be a butterfly symbol dimple. I actually said that in my other video, like my other video before this. Anyways, and then I have this dimple, this dimple, and this dimple. Okay. And then I have this wacky track and this wacky track, two wacky tracks. Sorry, my fidget bucket is now like a total mess. I'm gonna go ahead and show the poppets, the rainbow poppets. Okay, the first rainbow poppet is this popsicle one. This is like the one that I like didn't show in my fidget haul because it was downstairs. And then I have this rainbow poppet. I have this unicorn rainbow poppet. It's ice cupcake or ice cream. I'm not really sure. And this like pinkish, orange, pink, purple, yellow, and blue. Okay, now I gotta put the poppets in the order that I have them. Here's my poppet stack. Okay, now I can throw everything else in. Dimples, already done the dimples. Okay, and lucky checks. Okay, now I'm gonna do the white fidgets real quick. Okay, this infinity cube, this acupressure ring, snowball, and mesh ball. Okay, and then DNA ball. This is considered rainbow, right? Orby chef ball. Roller rings. Acupressure ring. Tangle. And this little wacky track. But that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you guys all of the rest of my color-coded fidgets. I know the title is really weird. I don't really know any other titles. I just said my color-coded fidgets, or I think something like that. But that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on those post notifications, and leave a comment down below. What is your favorite fidget that I showed you? Or even what's your favorite fidget? Or you can do both, whichever one you prefer. It's your choice. But that is it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.